doing a sale prep on this 2012 Chevy Tahoe PPV. I'm obviously going to need to do these door jambs and the floor mats. Also, one overlooked area are the pedals. So I'm going to take care of this right now, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. All you really need is Adam's interior cleaning gel and a nice little brush and a towel. This is just a little utility towel. I'm going to lay it down underneath, and then actually I want to put this light on here. What you want to do first is you want to soak this down with the all-purpose interior cleaning gel. Shake it up and spray it. Now take this brush, spray a few sprays into it, and now just go to agitating these pedals with the brush. Next step is to go back over the pedals with the towel. The brake looks good. The accelerator pedal still needs work. Give it another shot of interior cleaning gel. Still a little bit left in that bottom corner. See if we can get that off. Oh man, I think we got it. That's my secret weapon for interior cleaning, Adam's all-purpose interior gel. Hope you liked this video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and please hit that notification bell. You know when I drop more content. Thanks, and see you on the next one.